Hi friends, in this video I will show you how to get auto clicker on iPhone, how to enable, activate auto clicker and how to use it.
Before starting this video, please subscribe to my channel for getting notifications of my all upcoming this sort of technical videos. So let's start the video without wasting any time.
First of all, open the settings of your iPhone and go to accessibility option. Here you will see a option switch control. Tap on it. Now you will see a option switches. Open it. Now tap on full screen. Default will remain on tap and in type screen will remain as it is. Now go back. Here you will see option receipts in switch control. Tap on receipt and then tap on create new receipts. In the name option, write auto clicker. On the second number you will see option assign a switch. Tap on it. Keep it on full screen. Tap on full screen. And now tap on custom gesture. Now tap on hide controls and then tap on 10 times on the screen together. Now wait for few seconds. You will see save button top of the screen. Save it. Now go back and tap on the launch receipt and select auto clicker. Now go back to settings and open accessibility shortcut. Now enable assistive touch and switch control. Now I will show you how auto clicker works. For example, I open Sanad. At the moment I don't want to take any order. That is why my Sanad is already turned off. Now you have to press power button thrice together. Now some options will be shown in front of you. Tap on assistive touch and enable it. Now again press power button thrice together and now tap on switch control to enable it. Now your auto clicker is ready to use. Now it will touch on the screen as I want. In this way you can enable the auto clicker on the iPhone. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.